Hello friends, my name is Kailash and in this video we are going to see how you can create a multi-level access chart and changing the column colors based on certain conditions. So here I have a sample sales data, and first thing what we need to do is we need to sort this data. So if you see here right now the data is not sorted, so what we will do is we will select this data and sort this data, then sort, and three levels we are going to do: region, year, and then quarter. So first level is region, the next level is year, and followed by quarter. So the data is sorted. So the next is we need to insert the chart. So for that, we have already selected the data. Go to insert, then this chart, this one, okay, like this. And let's start adding the conditions. So first, if you see, it is actually giving all the values here, but they are repeat, right? So what we need to do is we need to remove the repeats. So if you see here, these are repeats, right? So I'm going to delete them. This is also repeat, and as you see, it is now giving it properly, right? Same way, I'm going to delete the ones which are actually repeat, right? So multi-level access can very easily be done. Just you need to select the data, right? Now, what we want to further do it is we wanted to change the color of the column based on condition. So how we can do that? So to do this, what we will do is we are going to divide our sales data into two columns where we have met the target and where we have not met the target. So for example, we'll say met equals to if the sales is greater than or equals to the target, then it is met. In that case, we want to just show the sales data. If it is not met, we want to show 0, right? So let's drag this formula, and now it will only appear wherever the targets are met. For example, this one, the target was higher, right? And that's why the 1600 is not here. Same way, we need to create a not met also. Not met, but the condition would be reversed, right? So instead of, I'm just going to copy this. So we'll say if it is less than the target, then sales as 0. Now let's drag this. Right. So a number which is sales is either coming here or here. It will never come in both, right? That's how we have written the condition. So what we'll do is now we are going to move this column at the end. Okay, and let's add some formatting as well, right? Now let's delete this and recreate. This time we are going to select only this one, right? Insert, same chart, like this. Chart title can be equals to the sales summary, like this, okay? If you see, multi-level access is still available, right? Now, if you see, there are actually three columns that we are showing, and all are showing in different color. So let's change one by one. So the target. So where is our target? This one is the target, right? We need to convert this into line. So for that, let's click on change chart type, combo. Target would be a line like this. Click OK. Right. And okay, these are very sharp. Let's change this format a little bit. Format series, and let's make it to smooth line. Okay, this is done. Now, if you see, it is actually giving you different colors already. So not matte is green, which is kind of wrong. And the ones which are matte are actually orange. So this one, we are going to change it to, let's say, the green. And this one, we are going to change it to red, right? Now, this is almost there, but if you see some places we have a higher gap, some places we do not have gaps. So we need to ensure that the gaps are also proper. For that, what we have to do is select any series, and under series options, you will see overlap. Let's increase the overlap to 100%. So now they are equally divided, right? Now, if you see here, our chart is almost there, and what we wanted to achieve is there. And if you see here, what it is saying is the ones which are in green are met, and ones which are in red are not met. And let's make this target as dynamic. So I'm going to use a random formula. So I'll say random between 1000 to 2000, and let's copy and paste it across. Now press F9, and you see that the colors are getting changed automatically, right? So what is the key? The key is that we have divided our sales into two columns. The two columns are basically two colors, right? And that's how you can also create. If you need this practice file, the link will be available in the video description. See you next time.